TikTok is a hotbed of creativity, and right now is the perfect opportunity for you to take a look what's going on there and get some ideas to market your products online. So if you're selling online, you're going to absolutely love this. I'm going to break down a video for you, show you why it was so successful and how you can implement the same strategies in your business, making yourself the $35,000 that this young lady made. With that being said, let's get into it. So this came across my desk the other day on TikTok, which I'm now currently obsessed with. If I told you this video made $35,000 in a week, and it's so low rent, it's just outrageous, but I really love what she's done with it. And I think there's some great lessons for all of us as e-commerce marketers and marketers in general that we can get from the video. And there's a couple of things that she could have done that would have made it even better. But for me, I haven't got the volume up, but for me, the main thing that I really love about this as a marketing video is it's utterly authentic. Like she's like demonstrating her product, which is really just a tarpaulin with suction cups on it. When you think about what it actually is, that's actually all it really is, but it solves a genuine problem for people. And I think it's a fantastic way of doing that in a really authentic way that just kind of looks like it's got that, like she's got a couple of mums there with her and she's just demonstrating her product. It works really well. She's got the kid kind of walking around as well, getting in the way, but kind of helping, but not really helping. And so I like that. And it also fixes a genuine problem, which is when you go out and about, how do you get your kids to be able to change without the whole world, and of course all the associated pedophiles with them, staring at your kids? How do you do that? So it solves a genuine problem that mums experience. So it solves a genuine problem. It's demonstrated. There's nothing better than demonstration for selling things. And it's massively authentic. So I really like it. I really like it. And then that's the video. Second part of this is the way that she's actually done it afterwards. Let me give you the actual website. So it's at carcabana.shop. carcabana.shop. So anybody what's thinking, oh, I need the .com website to make my e-commerce business work, well, you don't need that at all. It used to be the case that you did, and Google AdWords would tell you that you did, but now you just don't need that anymore. You can just go with whatever you want. So here's the website, really cool website. But what I like about this is the way she's actually engaged with the people. And if you read through them, let me move that out of the way, you can see that actually she's getting people to tell her how else to promote this as well. I actually took some screen grab of that. So getting people to tell her how else to promote it, what other things it could be used for, and that's all coming from the chat as well. So by having this massively authentic experience and then interacting with people, not only has she made a shitload of sales, $35,000 in 7 days, but she's also got ideas about how to promote it more. I think it's very smart. I really like this. I think that marketing does not need to be slick. Marketing needs to be honest and authentic. If it is professional, great, but it certainly doesn't need to be. And a product like this that sells for $60, it's just perfect. I think it's really good. And we talk a lot about marketing tonight because I've been doing a lot of marketing related things. But as an example, this is really cool. What do you guys say? Oh, I would say so as well. One thing that's missing from it, that I think is missing from it, is there's no call to action. There's no like, hey, go here to go and get this. And maybe that's on purpose. Maybe that wouldn't suit this video. But I think that in some way, shape or form, saying to people, hey, if you want this, here's how to get it, would have been, I believe, imperative to actually making a lot more sales. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce sellers, over 2,500 of us and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the chat, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time.